Hello, welcome to our tutorial on banner grids in Swipecart. Are you looking for the perfect marketing strategy to boost your app's engagement and improve sales? Nowadays, businesses depend on banners to communicate with customers about trending products, sales, or offers. With Swipecart, you can have your tailor-made banner grid in your mobile store without much effort. How? On your Swipecart dashboard, select App Design. Click the edit icon on your current design. In the widget panel, select Banner Grid from the drop-down. The widget panel will list different style variants of the banner grid. There are banner grids with 2 or 3 banners. Also, you get to choose the shape of the banner grid as a rectangle or square. Drag and drop a suitable banner grid to the design section. Hover over the banner grid section in the design to see the list of actions you can perform in it. First, let's add/edit image. Here, you can upload images or videos for your banner and interlink them to the desired pages. The linked page can be a product page, collection page, or any other page in your app store. If needed, you can also redirect your customers to an external link that is outside the app with the web URL option. Let us show you how to upload images and videos and link them. Click the Upload an Image/Video section and add the file from your computer. Now, select the page to which you want to link the banner to. Select Add. The first banner is added. Now, repeat the same action for the second banner. Once the configuration is complete, click Submit. Your grid is ready. The Edit Style option is activated. Click it. As you make changes here, you can see a preview of it on the right side mobile screen. Here, you can alter the radius, padding, and container padding of the banner grid. In the widget title section, you can give a name for your banner grid. You can alter the alignment, font size, letter spacing, font color, font style, and font weight. From the Images column, configure how you want the image to fit within the banner. You can choose to fill, contain, or cover the banner. The video section will appear only if you have uploaded videos to your banner slider. Here, you can enable the toggle to autoplay the video and choose to mute or unmute the videos. The background column lets you add custom colors or images to the banner grid. Click Image to upload an image for your banner. There are no limitations on the image size. You can upload any image and it will auto-adjust with the banner grid. Click None to not have any image or color. To add shadow to your banner grid, enable the toggle for box shadow and choose a variant. Save the changes. Hover over the banner grid in the design section and select Copy Block. Now, go to the block where you want to paste it. If you want to change the style variant of your banner grid, select Edit View by hovering over it. Here, you can change the view. You can also remove this block. Hover over the banner grid and click Remove Block. Save the changes. If you wish to be the first to view it, select Preview to see the banner grid on a mobile device. You also have the option to view it on your Swipecart mobile app. Simply, click Try it on your device to scan the QR code and view the banner grid on your mobile store. We'll be back with more helpful tutorials to help you with adding widgets to your mobile app. If you have any issues or queries, contact our implementation specialist or contact our support team. Thank you for watching.